Well, one sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host, Joe Meyer,
I'm Rush.
and this is the Sir That Sports TV. Place you guys come to get the best, most interesting, and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people, it's keeping up with the Reggae Boys time again. Not quite keeping up with the Reggae Boys today, though. We're keeping up with the head coach of the Reggae Boys.
Man's a reggae boy.
They call him a Reggae Boy.
Yes, sir.
You sure you want to give him a title?
Hell yeah, nigga.
All right. So, yes, he's one of us.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, the new coach of the Reggae Boys, he's been appointed, bro. Big reveal in Pegasus Hotel. I like the style. I like the style from JP. Them could have a YouTube channel still with them a broadcasting thing that made the people can tune in. But small steps. So yes, the new coach, Hemier Hallgrimson, I think his name is. And
Riverman the night.
what? You would people not them.
No.
You people go on, my youth. You have only supporters there as supporter. Go on.
Big coach.
Big coach. Not more.
That is
Icelandic.
that is
Easy words.
Yes,
Yeah, so
sir.
let's talk about it, bro. What do you feel about the appointment? Before we get even into what we really want to talk about it.
We would have went live a few days ago.
Mhm.
People go and check it out. We spoke about some stuff. Yes. I like live, we had a live discussion, but we spoke about some serious stuff. Anyways, I would have said that I was more indifferent to the appointment because he is fairly decorated. And I, for one, I've not said it publicly, but really wanted an international coach to come and take over.
I didn't even know that I was working
Yeah.
together.
Yeah, so I've held the belief for a long time that I'm not necessarily sure if I want a local coach or in Jamaica to take over the job.
Why is that
For
so?
many reasons. I do believe that the quality is not necessarily here. For one. Also, two is an unobstructed person as it relates to the political aspect of it. And a person who has no ties to the country, who has no bearings or relationship with anyone here, not the players, not the administration, not any member of that.
No conflict of
Jamaican
interest.
friends.
Zero.
Exactly.
Zero
So he's
conflict.
going to come here with unbiasedness, and his football knowledge is the only thing that will be piloted. And I really wanted that for Jamaica, which is why I strongly wanted an international coach too. So I'm coming to the team, but a lot of people who want to hear that, I had this conversation with somebody this summer, and they're like, they don't believe that national coaches should be allowed to be international. Good
As I
point.
said, bro, you raised some good points. I didn't even think about it. There are some very valid points. And the thing is, a local coach is just more susceptible to influence from people inside of the coach.
Yeah,
I would
the
know that.
players, the administration are just Jamaicans. Yeah.
And then also, his reputation is on the line. He's achieved things in world football. So I guess I would assume that his reputation goes before him. I remember that run from Iceland. I remember, we were watching some football at that time. And he would be respected. And I'm sure this guy doesn't want to, tarnish his reputation in world football. So if anything, we say something on our channel all the time. If you don't get what you ask for, leave. So if you're here and you want to put in the best work possible, but the JFF is not backing, I think this is the guy that would, pick up his feet and leave. I honestly believe that. So I go out there at that point. I didn't necessarily feel like I wanted an international coach, but I'm not mad at it. In terms of what I feel about the appointment, for the other side, we can get into that in a separate video. What I think about this coach is particularly, I think it's a good appointment, bro. I think he's definitely more proven than Paul at an international level. He's definitely better than Theodore Whitmore. You see me? So I feel like this is a good appointment from the JFF, and it begs me to ask this question. Now, what are the intentions of the JFF? Are they honestly trying to make good decisions? Are they honestly trying to right all the wrongs that they've done in the past? I really want that answer.
If it is that they are trying to right the wrongs, if that's their motive, this is a good step and a good way to do it. So the coach himself, obviously could have been more proven on international level, but has done well.
Proven enough.
Has done well with a team that's not necessarily as talented. So To be honest, the Jamaica, Jamaica has always been the pearl of the Antilles. Jamaica has always been prized position from slavery days until now. So we still have a lot to work with. And
I think this is more than a lot, bro, compared to what he had to work with, and in comparison to Europe. Europe has some giants, and in comparison that going to qualifying for a World Cup, going to
doing well in the Euros.
doing well in the Euros, making it to the round of 16, that's no small feat. And I believe that given, I would say, the best couple of Jamaican players right now.
In the World Cup, they played well versus Argentina, they played well versus Nigeria, they did well. They did well versus Croatia. They were formidable in their zone. That's when Croatia won, Argentina came second in their zone. I think Iceland came third in their zone. So they did do well in the World Cup, managing to draw the Argentina.
Yeah, and giving this coach a very talented team. A team filled with professionals playing at some professionals playing at the highest level. We're talking about 3, 4, 5, 6, players playing in the best league in the world. That's a good squad. You talk about players playing in the championship, you talk about players playing in the MLS, France, Russia. That's a good squad, and I'm excited to see what this coach can do with this job. So what I want with this team, so where this video is going to go right now is the title. Give this coach a chance. Now give him a chance. Obviously, a lot of people like Paul Hall. I, for one, I really like what Paul Hall was doing. But Paul Hall is not the coach. Paul Hall is gone. And there are some things.
I've already forgotten about Paul Hall.
Paul Hall is gone, bro. We can't stay there. I don't care who was the ex-coach.
I don't care. You see, Paul Hall came in and was like just winning crazy. Like I would have been like, oh shoot, bad move. But he was
building, yeah.
Yeah, but
I'm not.
I've already forgotten about Paul Hall.
Yeah, so we really want to say give the coach a chance, and we're saying that to the fans, but we're also saying that to the players because they watch, isn't it?
Yeah, but to be honest, I don't think it's been a case where the fans have been like against the appointment, and I've not heard backlash, uproar about this appointment. To be fair, and I've not heard the usual, oh, the white man come blah blah blah. I've not heard that, so I'm pleased.
I see someone in this video.
The only backlash we've heard was from a player.
No, Andre Blake, we can call him because it's worldwide news at this point. But the thing is, bro, I like the move from the coach. Captain come, captain call it. He's gonna call the name at this point. Captain said, new coach, same JFF, same results. Call, mention the coach. What did the coach do? However, resolve this. Don't worry about it. Yes, I feel like JFF leaving him over. I'm going with it was a poor move. For sure, it was a poor move. Considering all the things that transpired after that. Because what did the coach do? All right, you have some beef with the JFF. All right, something's not going right as the captain, and you don't like what's going on upstairs. All right, me and the head coach, come here, we're going to resolve this. Sit down, have a talk. You're in the squad, you're going to be my leader. I like that move from him. Because what would the local coach do? They would have to side with the JFF. Because there will be numerous conflicts in that conversation. But I like the move from the coach. And we're still hearing of even players being mentioned or being called additions to the squad. Playing at in the championship. And I like this move from the coach, bro. So I'm excited to see what the coach has to offer.
Is this not the best quality team Jamaica
I honestly think this is the best team, and obviously we're going to have some old heads.
And considering that Andre Blake has now been added to the team, Andre Blake is still one of our winners. We did our top 10 video the other day.
Andre Blake,
we're going to check it out. Yeah. So with the addition of Andre Blake, this I think is definitively our best team. And the omission of some players, I think still makes it our best team.
Bro, what the players that are omitted? And are we mad at them? Junior Flemings, Speedy Williams, Lamar Walker, Javon East, Corey. Are we mad at those omissions? I am definitely not mad at them. Are you mad at? I agree. I'm not mad at it. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Do I look mad?
Not at all.
Look mad?
All right. If that's gonna make Bobby Reed in the squad, hey, I'm all for it. In fact, if me have to choose, me gonna pick Bobby Reed. And then me gonna pick Jamal Lowe. Me gonna pick Antonio or Bygrave. So I'm not mad at the omissions, bro. I've seen any complaints.
Bygrave been aware of the man 18 still. No disrespect.
No disrespect to Bygrave. Bygrave got his move, and I'm happy for Bygrave.
But good step, Michael Antonio 18.
Of course. And yeah, bro, this squad, I'm excited for the game. I'm excited for the game against Argentina. I'm excited to hear the press conference before the game. hopefully we can get some access to that and ask some questions. But yeah, people, let us know, what do you think about the appointment of the coach? And are you giving him a chance? Or are you just writing him off and saying, oh, the same JFF, the same thing will happen?
Bro, if this new coach means that we'll consistently be getting best available players, that's already a start. Because with the coaches before, whether it be Paul Hall or whether it be Theodore Whitmore, there always seem to be a mishap with calling up players, whether it be by unavailability or by coach omission, so on and so forth. There's this thing where Daniel Johnson wasn't called up, and it was like, oh, we have Ravel and we have Daniel playing the same position, so would you choose Ravel Morrison over Daniel Johnson if you had the choice?
But then Christopher Priest is in that squad. It just doesn't make sense. And these are the things that we want to get out of the football.
That's why I've already forgotten about Paul. Just with that answer alone is why I'm out here. You can get the team with Bobby Reed, Daniel Johnson, and Ravel Morrison. Make them fight over who is number 10.
Yeah, fight over that. And that's a good question to ask. Bobby, I come take back in 10. I think Gravel have done it. Who wants in the 10? Because I think Gravel performances went up in that number 10. I'm not even going to lie. Gravel performances went up in that number 10. And I like R10. You know, you get me? I say I like Gravel in the number 10, but I really don't care.
Bobby Reed can come out of him 14.
I really and truly don't care who is the number 10. But I'm happy with this squad. It's been a while since I see a squad released and I'm not saying up bad about the squad.
No issues.
I just jump.
The only just jump my topic. And you consider that Ethan Pinnock is not available. So I would assume that Jamaica will be just a placeholder for Ethan Pinnock. I like me to tell?
I don't know, or Liam Moore.
Liam Moore can't make back my
No, but if Pinnock is not there then.
Yeah, but I guess you get me and say Pinnock not there.
Then look somebody else.
Yeah.
Fine.
That's the situation.
I just say, bro, we are nitpicking at this point.
Exactly.
And if we're going to nitpick, it's a good sign.
You must say Ethan Pinnock spot there, and who Ethan Pinnock coming from. And then all the team.
Love it.
Exactly, bro. So upon reviewing all that, I'm like, yo, this look good. And just a squad selection alone. Just a squad selection alone look good, bro.
And see, the thing is, bro, I asked it on the live, and I'm going to ask it again because maybe more people see this video. Obviously, we want better from the JFF. Obviously, we want a better JFF, and that is the question. Do we want better from the JFF, from this administration, or do we want just a new and better administration? I've been thinking about it, bro. And if this JFF...
I want better until we can get a new one.
Bro, I'm going to say, bro, see, if this administration pull up them socks and buckle them belt and put on them and tighten them tight, and I'm getting with, bro, if we see good football,
I want to see the base with the transportation, food, shit.
I'm going to see man in a good hotel. I'm going to see man I get them nice recovery and them massage before a game. I'm going to see man I come out, I will see nice warm up. I want to see the segregation of the team. I want to hear the captain argue with the president and the Gen Sec. Me care who is the Gen Sec? I really don't. I don't want to be talking about JFF. I want to talk about football. I'm a football fan. So I don't care if it's that time in time. I don't care who the guy is. I don't want to. So, bro, if this JFF can pull up them socks and buckle them belt, I'm here for the ride. They get me and say, even though I don't trust them too, if they can't prove me wrong, I really want them to prove me wrong. But yeah, I don't mind if it comes from them. And I think hiring this coach is a step in the right direction. I don't care where they go pay him from. I don't care if it's a broke, I don't care.
Make sure the man getting money still now.
Brother, I don't care whether I'm getting money or not. I feed them business that. I want to see good football.
Get the money or else I'm going to leave. That cause disruption. Okay.
I know that. I know so we hear about some money thing with Paula, the man Luke, Paula, the contract people, and I'm not speculating.
You don't want to talk about that.
You don't want to talk about that?
No.
I hear what I want people.
Forget about Paula.
Paula gone. Do you want to mention Paula?
I think you want to talk
about like Paula, bro.
Actually, from Paula tell me that thing about Ravel Morrison and Daniel Johnson and quota system and all them foolish stuff. We kind of have Paula still now.
I'm at this point.
Let's go and watch it because they have been there in the role and they get me to see Ravel playing and do some just go on easy, bro. But as soon as I heard this, we have Ravel, we have DJ, we have to facilitate the quota system and so on.
Like this.
Paula can go, bro.
People, let us know what you think about it. It's a good look chat. We have more videos coming up though. The game is creeping and the boys will be called the camp soon. And yeah, we'll be making some more content, preview, review, match day. Alright, we're gonna try. I'm gonna do my best. So people stay tuned for that. Also, shout out to our Manning Cup content. We have a preview and review video. that dropped. Team features dropped. What is this I do?
Work don't stop, bro.
Premier League videos I drop same way. So people support them, man. Not only watching it, but who want them support them when they watch.
Share the video
Mm-hmm.
to 10 people, but ensure that 6 subscribe. Because if you guys can get us 6 subscribers, collectively, do you know how many subscribers will get us by the end of the day?
Holy people, don't forget, like the video, hit the big red button, leave a comment. This was the That Sports TV.
I'm out.
Yeah.